Hello everyone. Now we are going to start our new chapter addition, that is chapter number 3. So in class first you have already learned about this. We will do the warm up exercise. So first question, you can see how to do addition. Just we have to add the two numbers. Okay. So now we are going to start our first question just for practice. So first question is 2, 0. So 2 and 0 plus equals to 2. And 7 plus 2 equals to 9. Okay. 8 plus 1 equals to 9. And 2 plus 3 equals to 5. Okay. So these type of questions are very easy for you. Now we will start our exercise. Exercise that is 3A. Just little bit. So now we will start our first question of exercise 3A. So 7 plus 3 is 10. Okay. Just remember when we do ones and tens. Okay. On ones place is 7 and on tens place is 4. So 0 will be here and 1 will be carry at 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So the answer will be 50. Okay. See the next question. 6 plus 9 is 15. So 1 will be carry over here and 3 and 1 will be 45. 7 plus 7 is 14. 1 carry over 5 and 5 plus 1 will be 64. So 2 plus 9. 2 plus 9 is 11. So 6 plus 1 is 7. So just like this you can do all the questions for your practice more and okay. So practice these all the sums more and more so you can clarify your mistakes. Okay, you have to do all the questions. These are now see exercise 3B. Add the following. One has been done for you. Now these questions are slightly different from above one. Okay, here ones place are two numbers and tens place also are two numbers. So see, just for practice we can do 7 plus 5 is 12. Okay, what it will be? 12. So 2 will be right here and 1 will be over carry. And now 3 plus 2 is 5 and 1 carry will be plus 62 will become. Now next question, 5 plus 6 is 11 and 3 plus 1 4 and we have to add carry also. It will become 5. 6 plus 0 6 plus 4 6 plus 4 so 10. So 1 carry it will become 4 and 8 plus 5 is 13. 1 carry 5 plus 2 7 and 1 will be added. It will be 8. Okay. So these questions you can do in your practice. Now we are starting our exercise 3C. Okay. These questions also just same as the above one. Okay. There will be slightly difference in the last questions. Okay. So you have to practice all these sums one by one very nicely. First question we will do. Now see here ones place, tens place and 100 place can also come. Okay. See 7 plus 3 is 10. Okay. 1 carry. 5 plus 5 will be 10 and 1 11. So now 100 place has also come 1. So the answer is 110. Okay. Now next question, 5 plus 6 is 11 and 4 plus 7 plus 1 is how much? 12. Okay. Next question, 9 plus 6. 9 plus 6 is 15 and 7 plus 8 15 plus 1 is 16. Next question, 8 plus 3 is 11 and 9 plus 2 plus 1 is 12. Okay, so these type of questions are very easy, you can do. See, now we can Just see these questions. 3. There are 3. So do it very carefully. 6 plus 4 plus 1. 6 plus 1 will be 7. 7 plus 4 will be 11. Okay. Now 4 plus 1. We can add also. Afterward you can add carry or before also. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9 plus 1 10. Okay. 8 plus 4 12. 12 plus 9 is 21. Okay. Here carry will be 2. Now 4 plus 2 6. 6 plus 5 11. 11 and 2 carry 13. Okay. Now next question. 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 plus 6 is 20. 15. Okay. 15 plus 6 is 21. Okay. 2 will be carry. Now 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 plus 3 is 18 and 2 will be 20. Okay. Next question. 2 plus 8 is 10 and 10 plus 5 is 15. So 5 will here and 1 is carry. Now 4 plus 5 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 plus 1 13. So these questions you have to do in your copy very nicely and accordingly. Okay. Just practice every question one by one. Now see exercise 3D. Add the following. Okay. These are also at ones, tens and 100 places. Okay. Just there are 3 places given. Ones place, tens place and 100 place. Okay. These are not carry questions. So you can do it very easily. 4 plus 3 is 7. 5 plus 1 is 6. And 2 plus 3 is 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. 8 plus 0. Okay. So always remember 0 added 8. Okay. 0 is added to any number. The answer will be same. Okay. 0 added to any number or okay. Then the answer will be same number. So 0 plus 8 will be 8. Now 5 plus 1 is 6. Next question. 6 plus 3 will be 9. 6 plus 1 will be 7. And 4 plus 2 will be 6. 9 plus 0. Okay. 9 plus 0. So 0 is added in 9. The answer will be same number. 8 plus 1 is 9. And 4 plus 3 is 7. So students, you have done question 1, 2, 3, 4. Now just we are taking randomly questions. Okay. So there will be no confusion for you and you can practice more and more sums by yourself also. Okay. Just listen to me and carefully and just practice your sums by yourself also. Okay. You have to do also all these sums. See now. Any question we can take. Just question number 8. 0 plus 0. Okay. Now 0 and 0 means nothing. If 0 and 0 is added, the answer will be 0. 2 plus 3 is 5. Okay. 3 plus 1. Okay. 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay. Next we can take question number 11. 4 plus 1. How much? 4 plus 1 is 5. 3 plus 4. 3 you can, if you are having problem in counting in your mind, then you can count on your finger also. Okay. 3 and plus 4 is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So 3 plus 4 is 7. 4 plus 5. Yeah, 5 plus 4 is 5 and count 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how much is? It is the 9. Okay. Now see question here we can do in next line. 9 plus 0. Question number 13. 9 plus 0 is 9. Okay. 1 plus 0 is 1. And 7 plus 2 is 7, 8 and 9. So answer will be 9. Okay. We can take this question 15. 3 plus 5. So 3 plus 5. So 3 and count up to 5. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8. Okay. 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. See this line question. Question number 18. 5 plus 2. 5, 6, 7. The answer is 7. 8 plus 1 is 9. 6 plus 2 is 8. Okay. This question number 20. 6 plus 3 is 9. 4 plus 0 is 4. And 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay. Now we are taking question number 21. See, 5 plus 3. 5. See, right here 5 plus 3. 1, 2, 3. So how much? 5, 6, 7, 8. The answer will be 8. Okay. 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The answer will be 9. Okay. 3 plus 2. This you can do very easily. 3 plus 5 is. Now question 23. See, 3 plus 5 is 8. 3 plus 3 is 6 and 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay. Question 24. 2 plus 7. So yeah, 7 plus 2, 7, 8, 9. The answer is 9. Okay. 3 plus 5. So answer will be 8. And 7 plus 1 is 8. Okay. Now we are going to start our new exercise 3E. So in this question, it is just the exercise last you have learned. Okay. It is same as ones, tens and 100. But in this question, there will be a carry also. So if we will add, okay, do it very properly and easily. Okay. Don't be in a hurry. So 8 plus 9. So 8 plus 9. Count it, how much it will be. Okay. So answer will be 17. Okay. 8 plus 9. It will be 17. So 7 will come here and 1 we will carry on the tens place. Now add 3 plus 4. So 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 1 will be added. It will become 8. Okay. Now 5 plus 2 is 7. The answer will be 787. Okay. Somewhere the carry will come. Now 9 plus 6. So 9 plus 6. Now add 9 plus 6. So 9 plus 6. How much? 15. Okay. Count on your fingers. Count on your copy. Okay. Anywhere you can count it. Okay. 15. So 5 will come here. So 9 plus 6 is 15. So 5 will come here and 1 will be carry on the tens place. Now 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. The answer will be 5. 2 plus 1 is 3. 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8 is 14. 1 will be carry. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 7 plus 2 is 9. So students, don't forget the carry. Okay. If you don't add carry, then the answer will be wrong. Okay. You have to add, and you have to add carry over every place if there is carry in the another number. Okay. So everywhere you have to plus the carry also. If the carry is not here, see, so we will not carry. Okay. We will not add. We will not add. So be careful when it comes to carry. We have to add in that place. Now see next question. 7 plus 7 is 14 and 1 will be here. So 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0 is always 1 and 1 will be added in 1. It will become 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay. Questions. See question number 5. 6 plus 7. 6 plus 7 is 13. So answer 3 will here and 1 will be carry. 6 plus 0, 0, okay, 0 is added in any number. 6 plus 0, the answer will be same, 6, and 1 will be added, 7. 5 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 9, 9 plus 9 is 18, and 1 will be carry. So 8 plus 0 is 8, and 8 plus 1 is 9. 2 plus 1 is 3. 7 plus 8, 7 plus 8, count on your fingers, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So answer will be 15. 5 here and 1 will be carry. So 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay. So these questions just practice more and more and do it. This question. Question number 12. See, 4 plus 8. 4 plus 8 is 12 and 1 carry. 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 1 6 and 8. Now here it is no number is there. Okay, so we will write number same as it is. We will write the number same as it is because there is no number given on the 100 place. Okay. Just you can practice question number 17 now. 9 plus 9 is how much? 18. 1 carry. 4 plus 3 is 7 plus 1 is 8. Okay. And 2 plus 3 is 2 plus 1 is 3. Question number 19 see. 8 plus 3 is 11. 1 carry. 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 1 7. 6 plus 1 is 7. Okay. So practice all the sums very carefully and very nicely. Don't be in a hurry और जल्दबाजी बिल्कुल नहीं करें क्वेश्चन करने में. Okay. You have to do and practice more and more every question.